First, confirm the opening direction and select the corresponding auto hinge. Right-hand opening doors are marked by either a red or green label bearing the letter R, while left-hand opening doors are marked by either a white or yellow label with the letter L. The auto hinge will malfunction if placed in the wrong direction. Attach the auto hinge to the door. When the lower leg is turned counterclockwise, resistance will be felt at around 5-degree position. The lower leg will break if turned further in the minus direction. When turning the lower leg, for example, to hang the door at around 90 degrees, be sure to turn it clockwise. For left-hand opening models, turn it counterclockwise. If it has been turned too far, do not attempt a full rotation. Turn it back in the opposite direction. It will break if turned more than 180 degrees. If it feels stuck, turn the speed control gear towards fast and try again. Install the receptive base so that the rounded side of the groove faces the door hanging side when the door is closed. If the base is placed in the wrong direction, the auto hinge will not function properly and will break if handled forcefully. Securely weld and fix the base to the base plate. After welding several slab bars, apply a mortar finish to the receptive base. Confirm the position of the rounded side. Align the rounded side of the lower leg with it when hanging the door. Turn the shaft set screw of the top pivot to lift the shaft and secure the door in place. After handling the top pivot, confirm that the shaft has been correctly inserted. If inserted incorrectly, the door may come loose and pose a safety hazard. Insert the spring set bar securely into the hole and wind the spring in the direction that the door will open. Next, insert the spring set pin into the hole specified on the chart. For models with 2-stage springs, wind the lower spring set base in the same way. Winding the spring in the opposite direction or overwinding it will result in malfunctions. Adjust the closing speed by placing a screwdriver through the round speed control window and turning the speed control gear. Turning the gear clockwise decreases the closing speed, while turning it counterclockwise increases the closing speed. A sudden increase in the turning load indicates that the turning limit has been reached. If turned beyond the limit, oil will leak out and speed adjustments cannot be made. After the adjustments have been made, cover the adjustment window with the attached decorative rubber plates.